Okay, so I wasn't planning to film this, but the moment I walked through the front door, I knew how to take you along. From the layout to the lighting and all the little styling choices, this home feels like a Pinterest board come to life. If you're anything like me, always looking for inspiration, or you just love being nosy in the best way possible, you are going to enjoy every corner of this walkthrough. So grab a drink, sit back, relax, and enjoy. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for subscribing and welcome back to Ebitimi TV. I would really like to hear from you, so please do well to leave me a comment, share this video if you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, and let me know what part of this house you like the most. Right here is a private study, quiet and tucked away for focus. As you've seen before now, right as you walk in, you're greeted by the first of 3 living spaces. This one on the ground floor feels formal yet warm, perfect for quiet conversations or welcoming guests with grace. I really like this way of fixing doors where it slides in. It just gives a clean finish in my opinion. Another thing I love about this style of fixing doors is that it's a smart way to save space. You make the most of your space when you have your doors nicely tucked away. It doesn't get in the way of anything. You'll agree that this is a spacious laundry. Everything is where it should be with thoughtfulness in every corner. It even has a linen closet for extra storage. Just a few steps further and the space completely opens up. This is the heart of the home, an open plan family room, dining area and kitchen that blend effortlessly together. kitchen is modern, sleek, and functional, and it has a walk-in pantry with its own little kitchenette attached to it, ideal for hiding the mess when entertaining. And if you love blending indoor comfort with the outdoors, there are 2 outdoor rooms overlooking a serene garden. Spaces that make you want to slow down and breathe it all in. So beautiful. Heading upstairs, there's a 3rd living area, a cozy nook for the family to unwind. It feels intimate, relaxed, and perfect for movie nights and other family activities like game nights as well. All the bedrooms are upstairs, designed for quiet, for comfort, for rest. Whoever staged this home did an amazing job with it. I love everything that was used here for the styling. It's just perfect. Now let's talk about the master. Spacious, elegant, and dreamy, with a walk-in wardrobe that feels like a boutique. And the ensuite? His and her sinks, beautiful finishes, and a space that truly feels like a retreat. Love the throws, the pillows, every single thing. It's just amazing. It has a balcony, it's very spacious, and it's airy as well. This home isn't just beautiful, it's intentional. Every space tells a story of comfort, connection, and calm luxury. I hope you've enjoyed this walkthrough as much as I did filming it. Would you live here? Let me know in the comments because I will surely live here. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, and share if you haven't already. Bye.